Carolina this weekend, hiking to Sand Knob, 2 miles round trip.
So I'm not sure what he's going to do. I don't know, 10 acres, but he loves it there. That's where Bao grew up pretty much. One blinking light in the Dollar General, that's it. That's all you get.
There's a brewery up there. On the floor. That'd be pretty good beer. Came through this morning.
Right there, Bear Scap. Yeah, they just left. There's signs of bear activities up here. We see scabs, and you can smell the bears in the scab. So you know this bear, so I brought this. I didn't bring my handgun with me this morning. So this is our protection of the day. But we are here at the top already, at the summit. Let's check out the view.
Probably 2 miles one way.
1.5. I got 1.38 right now. down this way.
I've been already done all of them right.
Or if you guys want, this is only like what, one mile here. You guys feel like go for it?
Not really. Do they have? Is Sierra Nevada over here?
Only two.
This guy.
Yeah, that's 1.2 and another one.
So we'll put two. Yeah, so we probably add about 7 miles.
Why are you going so fast?
Hey, so just you guys, just do me a favor. When you guys sit on these rocks, like on the ledges like this, just don't go near that ledge because usually there's a lot of snakes by the ledge. Okay. We've only done 3.9 since the start of this morning.
Yeah, I had to run ahead to see where the bathroom's at for my wifey. See how far it is. Oh, look, it's naked. And that. For real.
Because I could echo.
Is that monk?
Yeah, this guy.
Piggyback ride. Yep, she said yes. This is it, right?
Oh, up there.
We ain't going up there, right?
Yeah, we are.
No, that's the other trail.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, that's the other trail. Yes.
Trail.
Yes, this is it right here.
They're camping.
Yeah, let's take in some of this fresh air. That's why I wanted to come to these because they were
Better,
more,
yeah.
like summit hikes.
Yeah, there's more Senate. Yeah, it does remind this.
Summit hikes than the regular in the wood.
Yeah. See, this section right here does remind us it does remind us of the UC Davis hiking trail, whatever they call it. I can't remember the name of it. But we went in the West Coast. Ooh, about to climb the mountain again. I am. No, I'm good. I'm good. And we climb from there, that bottom, and then we climb all the way to the top where the orange tent is. I don't know if they can see it from here. Yeah, right there. I'm gonna zoom more in. There you go. That's, and then we follow that trail from there, and then up this way, and then we're going all the way up there to the top, and then we'll be climbing back down to our car. Another mile left. We're going this way to the car. All right, we made it out here. It's such a nice day today. The view was just awesome for sure. But we're hiking back down to our car. Look at this view right here. Check out that view.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's great.
Perfect.
I'm just trying to get out of their way.
You good? You are good. This is a perfect weather, perfect day.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
So pretty.
I know.
Gorgeous.
Man, look at this.
That's some of the oldest rocks in the world right here.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Now this is what I call hiking trail, okay? Earlier,
Oh, not the path I want to go.
this guy is very funny.
Thank God we didn't come up this one.
I never knew Adam was this funny. No, I know. I only know of him when he was like 8 years old. Wait, how old were you in 1988? 88. Yeah, I was right. You were 8. You were 8 or 9, yeah?
I was 8 then.
Yeah. You and your brother. Yeah, I'd rather going down like this than climbing. Especially when we did the other section already. So these guys, he tries to take the shortcut. Where's the other leader? Oh, she's over there.